I'm Jo.
No, Mike.
And we're going on a road trip.
To the East Cape.
Yes, we're going down to Napier first, and then we're going to go around the East Cape, around Gisborne, around that big bulgy bit of New Zealand. So, we decided for this trip, because we're going to be gone a week or more.
Sorry, Jo decided for this trip that we needed a fridge.
Yeah.
So,
we've got a fridge!
we decided we needed to access the fridge from the side of the vehicle. So, we open up the door, and this is why we had to remove the middle seats. So there's our fridge.
Nothing in it yet.
Nothing in it yet.
How awesome is this? A little fridge drawer.
So I actually built a little shelf to go over the runners that were left. So now we can bolt our fridge to that.
Yep. And how are we powering our fridge, Mike?
We're powering it from an internal battery.
We found this really awesome thing online. It's called a smart battery box. So Mike's going to show you that.
So it's an angle smart battery box. What we've got there, how much power we're using, how much is left in the battery.
So we've been running the fridge overnight, so it's down to 90%, plus we've had our USB stuff on.
On here, charging is from the side here. We can actually have a connector into a cigarette lighter or a mains adapter. Then we have a cigarette lighter socket, and what we've plugged into that is a 3-way USB to charge our USB devices. Next one along is an angle socket, which we haven't got the plug for, but we can buy one. That again is just a 12-volt output. And then on the side, it's actually got an internal inverter in the lid, and there's a main socket.
Yeah, so I'm going to
240-volt socket.
plug my MacBook into that. Okay, so the battery we bought is
100 amp hour
lithium battery.
deep cycle.
Yeah, we got that from J-Car. It was actually really reasonably priced.
Good price, so hopefully it'll work okay. We'll
Yes.
find out this weekend.
We're heading off on Friday, so stay tuned. There'll be some videos coming up of our road trip and our travels.